Here's the aftermath of the beast. I mean, it was like that, but like this, so not bad. Choose it up. That's what it's made for, though. Oh well. Pretty cool, so just chewing it up. Cutting some grass right now. That's it.